Good morning, everyone. Hoping you're having an awesome Sunday. I thought I'd jump on here just to kind of say how easy it is to meal prep. And it doesn't have to be complicated or take a long time. It can literally be just something as simple as, writing out what you're planning for the week, putting things aside so that you're ready, making sure you got a grocery list all set up for what you need to make for that week instead of buying just whatever's on sale or not buying what's on sale. Maybe you need to buy what's on sale and that's perfect. But then you adapt your recipe to that because everything that in essence I make, which of course is literally epicure, um, you can use any any protein, any veggie that you like with any of the seasonings. It's just a matter what your flavor profile is and away you go. So anyway, this morning I just finished my meal prep. I made some energy balls. These are made with our citrus lime cheesecake mix along with our vegan protein or vanilla protein. I keep saying vegan this morning. I know why. I have vegan something on my brain. Um, I made granola with our summer berry. Super simple to make, just a few ingredients and you can make your own granola. I made my own granola because we went peach hunting, picking up whatever you want yesterday. So we have lots of peaches, so I'm gonna have the granola with some vegan yogurt and peaches. I also made a summer berry happy birthday coffee cake here with some um, coconut on top. So I can't wait to try that. It's something different. And then I just brine chicken. So in here is a small chicken and then some chicken thighs, which are briming in some water, vinegar, and rotisserie seasonings. The chicken thighs I'll pull out and put this chicken souvlaki on instead. And the small one I will make with the rest of it with the rotisserie. And that's it. Super simple. Gets us through our lunches for the next 3 days, gets us through dinner for today and tomorrow. It has breakfast galore here, which is my big thing. I'm not the best with eating breakfast, so if it's already there, it's a way to go. It also works for lunches as well for me, something quick and easy to do. And then I already know, based on this, what my plans are for the week. So I know I'm eating out at least twice because there's a wedding at the end of the week. My friend Chris is getting married, Chris and Cindy. I'm so happy. So I know what's going on for the week. So that's it. So super easy to pull things together. Hey, Lisa, and do however you want or whatever you want for your meal prepping and planning. This is like all throughout the year for me. I meal prep at minimum twice a month, but I try to do it more than that. And it can be just like for a couple of days or it can be for the whole week. It's whatever you want. And that's the cool thing about our Epic box that we have is that literally that's 7 meals plus in there that I can adapt and play around with and do. I'll probably make this lemon power pasta at the end of the week for a meal. Been meaning to try that one again. And there we go. So meal prepping and planning can be super simple. Talking is not super simple for me, but meal prepping is. So there we go. So yeah, if you're curious about how this can work for you, or if you want to start adding little habits about meal planning or prep, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to share. The reason I do this is for my health. If you know me, you know, and I had migraines for most of my life. When I eat Epicure and eat meal prep and eat my own food, I don't have them. So yay. Anyway, have an awesome Sunday. And yeah, take care.